friends, I'm Rasna. Welcome to Rasna Bakes e-learning. Let's create some fabulous cakes together. Today, from the fairy tale collection, we are doing a Rapunzel theme cake. We start by rolling out light purple fondant to cover the cake. Use some corn flour to avoid sticking. This is a chocolate ganache cake. Now roll out dark purple fondant to cover the cake base. Rope out the light purple fondant and swirl it around the cake and design it with a modeling tool as shown. Now we are making the number plate. Cut out small flowers as shown. Cut out different flowers using flower cutter and place it on a wave foam pad. Use a ball tool to give a raised look. Next we do the leaves using the leaf cutter. Now we make the twigs. For this, rope out green fondant and swirl it around a wooden stick. Take out birthday message using the alphabet silicone mat. Stick the message on the cake base using water. The next to go on is the number plate. This is an edible print of the famous Disney princess Rapunzel. Cut it carefully using a pizza cutter and stick it in the center of the cake using water. Now Now place all the different flowers and leaves and twigs around the edible print, giving it a garden look. Do the detailing on the flowers as shown. Our gorgeous Rapunzel cake is now ready.